Hello, everyone. Hopefully, you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. And I was looking at my account and I didn't realize how much some of these went up. And what's weird is all of the companies that I am heavily invested in all went up massively. And I'm going to show you on a daily chart what these things look like because I was watching them throughout the day. And all of a sudden, these things are just, they went vertical at the end of the day. If someone knows what's going on, please put it in the comments section. It's all of the companies that I basically have been accumulating recently because of the valuations. Now, I'm going to show you this. I call this Uranium Part 2. This is just a daily chart. And some of these, they went up like crazy amounts. So I just wanted to show you. I wanted to do another video. I felt like doing that uranium update, I might not have done justice because the buyers stepped in and then they really stepped in. We're talking 20+% up days on some of these and a lot over 10%. So, and it was all at the end of the day, which means it could continue into tomorrow possibly. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you these charts. They're incredible how fast they moved at the end of the day. So I call this Uranium Part 2 technical analysis, but here's Encore Energy, and I didn't realize that this happened. But I was looking at it throughout the day in here, and look at the end of the day. I mean, just two massive breakout patterns. This is a pattern here. This is called a flag pattern. And you know what? I can draw it in real quick if you guys are interested. But this is basically if you're day trading, this is how you would do it. I mean, I'm doing the big trend here, and I actually have to do work at work. But you know, there's a little triangle pattern there. I mean, this thing, it was coming sideways, like it broke this big base and just gone. Triangle pattern gone. So this ended very, very strong. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. This is going to be an interesting, company to watch tomorrow. Encore Energy. Another one is Fission Uranium. This thing just took off at the end of the day. I mean, it went straight vertical. It ended going vertical. So I'm curious to see what happens tomorrow. This is one of my other companies that I own a decent amount in. Forces Metals, I was accumulating this one. This one ended the day very strong. If you look at the FSY.TO, it was up 10%. So this money is flowing into these. And this is an undervalued one in Namibia. So it's one that I've been accumulating on this pullback. I've also been accumulating Uranium Royalty Corp, and this thing went vertical towards the end of the day. It just kept going up and up and up. And I took a snapshot of it over here, but I saw it over here. I was like, man, this would be a good time to be buying it. I didn't buy any today. I bought it all yesterday and before that. But this thing ended going vertical. I don't know, after hours, -4%. I don't know if it's going to be like that, but when these things go vertical at the end of the day, it's possible that they're going to continue tomorrow. This one's Goviax Uranium, another one that I've been buying at 20 cents. I didn't buy it today. I bought it, past couple days. But this thing just went vertical. It went from, 21.5 cents all the way to 24 cents. I don't, kind of weird. And I mean, there's 24 cents after hours too. Another 1.64%. And then Laramide is another one that I kind of been buying, overweighting, and this thing just continued to build strength throughout the entire day and ended very strong. Another one that I was buying, I actually bought a little more today, which is kind of weird. I bought it in this area in here, and it just went vertical at the end of the day. And I didn't see it. I wasn't paying attention. I was doing the charting and whatnot, but I mean, this is another one that went vertical. That's quite a few in this group that went vertical today, and I'm just kind of dumbfounded here. I don't know if something's going on. It's all of the companies that I've been accumulating too. It's not, which is highly weird. I don't know if you guys are out there buying or what the heck's going on. We must have a whale on the channel. Put it in the comments section. Put in the comments section if you guys are buying anything and what you're buying. All of these right here, I've been buying. I bought Goviax. I didn't buy Laramide. I bought Goviax, UEX, Forces Metals, Uranium Royalty Corp. I didn't buy Encore Energy. I already own a huge stake in it. I don't need any more. And I didn't buy anything new in Fission. I've owned that one for a while. But I have been loading up in Goviax recently, Uranium Royalty Corp, and UEX. Those are the ones that I've been putting a lot of money in. Baseload would have been another one if I wanted to increase my stake. I already have a big stake in it to add into. And then another one that looks really good is Global Atomic. Was one I was thinking about putting in, but I was like, it hasn't pulled back enough. But I think that's going to take off too. So that's I just wanted to show you guys that these things are going vertical at the end of the day. Kind of rare that I see moves that big in that short of time frame all at the end of the day, which means that the momentum could continue tomorrow. Very interesting to see that large of a move right at the end of the day. And I wanted to get it in front of you. And I'm excited that I'm lucky that I've been accumulating the ones that I have. I have a video coming out about uranium on the dollars per pound basis. And the ones that I've accumulated quite heavily in were all very cheap on a dollars per pound basis. You'll see that in a video coming out very soon, the ones that I just named here. So if you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.